Jackson State.
This shit already over with, man. Nothing to stop, man. Let's go, baby. Put the fuck in the mouth.
This Red Zone Drive is sponsored by American Airlines.
Because they already know we're going to blitz. We ain't blitzing right now, so they're going to do everything hot. But they do all that.
You got to block them or run them off. You better know. If you run them off, you better know. You got to block that guy.
Hey, execute here now. Let's go. Execute.
The point after attempt is sponsored by Ceasefire.
They're in and out.
Hey, you know, it's
You know what it is, man. Big 2 when we out here. Defense doing what defense do, man. You feel me? It's a culture.
Junior back deep to receive for the Tigers.
Yeah. Say everybody got to be on the same page, dog. He said he tried to go 3 cloud. Everybody else went low. Come on, man, let's go. We gotta be on the same page. Hey, Joe, what's this?
He on the field.
He on the field. Hey, man, when we got an opportunity to make a play, we gotta make that fucking play.
He starting to A gap, then he started scanning over to B to C. Right. And I think he gonna slip out. So that's why I don't commit all the way.
You gonna have Banjo?
He gonna delay. Number 2 in the game.
No. I'm talking about cover 1. Look, when Banjo that tight end, you just keep sliding with him, man, and then get. And listen, Banjo that tight end gonna delay first. He blocking.
That's why I said block him.
I know I did. He gonna delay though. Just stay on him.
You were right position. You just kept running. He's just going to take you outside.
Nothing to get
Get there. Power that inside.
Ball is running at the 21-yard line. Tigers of Jackson State, 1st and 10.
Hey, boy, we good though. Oh, hey, chill out. We gotta chill. Hey, you would have stayed up. How you doing right now? Hey, Willie.
Coach, we got to try them down the field.
Defense.
To give.
Yeah, boy. Let's go, boy.
Tigers of Jackson State, 1st and 10.
That's what you saying. John going across the whole
Right.
So you want me to keep throwing your shit?
Good shit.
But that was not bad.
Good shit.
That was not PI.
Yeah, you both like that. Why you wouldn't go to the side?
I'm trying to see the ball.
Do this for real.
The point after. Mata's point after is good.
Way to run the rock! Way to run the rock, baby!
With 30 seconds to go in the
We follow up on the side, guys! Man, we had some good hits.
Grambling.
Coach Prime, all week long you worked on not giving up the big plays, no turnovers, cleaning up the penalties, and that's exactly what's giving them 21-17 score.
This is ridiculous. I mean, this is, I can't describe the emotions I have right now on the inside. This is not indicative of who we are. We don't want to be great. We just want to be good. We don't want to dominate. We just want to win. That don't work with me.
What's your message to the team at halftime?
I have no idea.
Go Tigers.
You people, or what? This is not who we are. Everything we preach, we proved against that. Everything we say we're not going to do, we've done. We're playing down to a level, not up. They supposed to be competing with us. We coming down competing with them. You don't want to dominate. You just want to win. You don't want to go pro. You just want to be good in college. We got about a few people that want to dominate. They want to be all they can be. It's a bunch of followers. Someone taking it upon themselves and leave. Not only in the locker room, on the dirt field. What we just did out there was pathetic. Pathetic.
You got that? No, we're gonna come out. Listen, here's what I want. I saw some great damn double teams on power. Guards get up in there, find that freaking backer, and he'll crease it. We got it. Get movement on the three, please. Just bury the damn three, fit in, and knock it back to that backer. Center, you just gotta make sure they're not gonna change here. They're gonna change here. They might be a little bit. I don't see it. You with me? Just do your job. Listen to me. Got me on that? Everybody got that? Now, we did a good job on the adjustment. Where's the ball go?
I'm just saying, the time you hear he's off, he's coming. Right? So all we got to do is sit there and say, hey, you know he's coming this way, so I don't give a fuck what it is. If he's in the boundary, he's going to the field, he becomes field. Right? If he's on the ball, he's in the boundary, it becomes boundary. We have that. You understand? If he's off, you know the ball's coming over here.
I don't need to yell no more. I don't need to scream no more. I don't need to fuss or shout. You know what we got to do. You know what we can't do. And you know what we're capable of. Now let's go out there and do every darn thing we're supposed to do. Let's fix those mistakes. Let's fix those errors. Let's fix all the plays that we missed. And dominate this darn half. It is not too late to dominate. Do you understand? Yes, sir. Let's go do it. Let's go. Come on, y'all. Let's finish the ass out.